Hello everyone, this is me Karuna Rai. Welcome back to my channel Growing Together. So in this video, we are going to talk about caladiums. With lush multicolored leaves, caladiums have become one of the most popular foliage plants for growing indoors these days. Their strikingly beautiful colored patterns makes them look even more attractive and unique. So now we are going to learn about this beautiful plant in detail. So first thing that I want to talk about caladiums is that they love humidity. They are a humidity lover plant, and these caladiums, they are grown from bulbs. So as the winter falls, this plant will die on their own. They'll start dying with the arrival of the winter because it becomes very difficult to maintain the level of moisture or the level of humidity inside our room for this plant to sustain, especially during winters. But do not be sad. The good news is that the bulb will come back each year during the warmer climates. So what you can do is you have to store the bulbs right in their pots so that again in the next spring, next warmer climate, the plant will again come out with more foliage and with more beauty. I have three varieties of caladiums right now with me. The first one is with this white and green colored leaves. The second one is this green and red leaves. And the third one is with green leaves with colorful patches on it. But I'm thinking of having more of them in future because I just couldn't get enough of them. Now let's talk about caring for this plant. So to care for caladiums isn't that difficult. I mean, they might look very sophisticated and very delicate, but trust me, they are extremely low maintenance plant. They're non-fussy and very easy to go about. So first, let's talk about its sunlight requirements. I'd suggest not to keep this plant in the direct sunlight as this might burn its leaves. As you can see, they have very thin leaves. They almost look transparent, so they might get burned very easily by the sunlight. So you can keep this plant indoors. It's more safer to grow this plant in the shady regions of your house. Talking about its watering requirements, do not let the soil dry out completely, or make sure that the soil is evenly moist all the time. You can check this by putting your finger in the soil, and the soil should stick to your finger like this. And the second thing is that I already mentioned that this plant loves humidity. So you can mist this plant. You can absolutely mist this plant, which essentially ensures that this plant is getting enough moisture for its sustainability. Now lastly, talking about fertilizers. Many people are very curious to know about what fertilizers should they go about to have more foliage of this plant or to make this plant grow more healthier. Now, caladiums are such plants that do not require a lot of fertilizer to grow, or they do not need to be fertilized at all. So I do not personally suggest to fertilize them in particular. You just need to take care of its sunlight and watering requirements, and the rest the plant will take care of itself. So this much for today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll be seeing you soon in my another video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching.